Buying a cardio machine for home? Here's what no one tells you. Most look great online, but half break down in 3 months or take up your whole living room. People keep returning them because the noise, size, or flimsy build wasn't obvious from the photos. Let's fix that.
Product number 1, GLYLF vibration plate. This GLYLF vibration plate caught my eye because it's under $110 and claims to give you a full body workout in just 10 minutes. It's tiny, only 20 inches long, and supports up to 450 pounds, which surprised me for its size. If you want something compact that targets multiple muscle groups without jumping or running, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 130 speed levels mean you can go from gentle lymphatic drainage, great after sitting all day, to intense fat-burning mode. The vibration stimulates muscles across your legs, core, arms, and back, even while standing still. Plus, it comes with resistance bands and Bluetooth, so you can sync music and keep rhythm. Over 10,000 sold last month shows people are loving the convenience, especially seniors or those with joint pain who need low-impact movement. Now, some people complained about the plastic build feeling cheap. Here's the thing though, it's not meant for heavy daily pounding like a treadmill, it's a supplemental tool. If you treat it gently and use it as intended, it holds up fine. The real issue is the lack of real user reviews. 0 stars, 0 feedback, so long-term durability is still unknown. This is perfect for you if you're short on space, hate high-impact workouts, or want to ease into fitness. Skip this one if you're looking for serious calorie burn or plan to use it aggressively every day. At $108, it's a low-risk experiment, but don't expect gym-level intensity.
Product number 2, Nice Day Mini Stepper. Now, if the vibration plate felt too passive, the Nice Day Stepper brings real cardio action in a tiny package. Priced at just $63, it's one of the most affordable options here, and over 3,000 sold last month proves it's popular. It looks like a mini stair climber, but don't let the size fool you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It runs at only 25 decibels, quieter than a whisper, so you can step while watching TV or during late-night workouts without waking kids or neighbors. The hydraulic resistance stays strong for 30 minutes, then gradually eases to keep you in fat-burning zone. The LCD tracks reps, time, calories, and even reps per minute, so you actually see progress. And at just 16 pounds, you can move it from bedroom to office desk in seconds. Now, some people complained the steps feel narrow if you have larger feet. Here's the thing though, the stride height is adjustable, so you can lower it for stability or raise it for more burn. It's not built for sprinting, but for steady, consistent stepping. Also, the resistance caps out around moderate intensity, so advanced users might outgrow it fast. This is perfect for you if you want quiet, space-saving cardio that fits under a desk or in a corner. Skip this one if you need high resistance or long-duration endurance training. At $63, it's an insane value for light to moderate daily movement.
Product number 3, Yosuda Magnetic Rower. All right, that was a solid budget option. But if you're ready to invest in something built to last, the Yosuda rower steps up. At $227, it's pricier, but with over 3 million families trusting the brand, there's serious credibility here. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Rowing gives you a full-body, low-impact workout that burns calories like running, but protects your knees. The magnetic resistance is whisper quiet, no clanking belts or loud fans, so you can row at 6 a.m. without guilt. The 12-pound flywheel gives smooth, consistent pull, and the LCD shows distance, stroke count, time, and calories. Plus, it folds upright and saves 70% space, with wheels to roll it away. Now, some people complained assembly took longer than the claimed 25 minutes. Here's the thing though, it comes 80% pre-built and the QR code links to a clear video guide. It's not instant, but it's manageable alone. Also, the seat cushion is comfortable, but taller users over 6'2" might feel cramped. This is perfect for you if you want gym-quality cardio at home without noise or joint stress. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have very limited ceiling height.
At $227, it's a long-term investment that actually delivers.
Product number 4, Sluncy Folding Bike. Now, if rowing isn't your style, the Sluncy Folding Bike offers serious versatility. At $151, it's mid-range, but with 16 resistance levels, double most bikes, 350-pound capacity, and 4-in-1 seating positions, it punches above its weight. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can ride upright for intense cardio, or recline for low-impact recovery. Perfect if you share the machine with family members of different fitness levels. The magnetic resistance is silent, and the LCD tracks heart rate, calories, and distance. The seat adjusts for users from 4'4" to 6'6", and it folds flat in seconds. Plus, it's 80% pre-assembled. Most people get it running in 30 minutes. Now, some people complain the seat feels firm during long sessions. Here's the thing though, the high elastic PU cushion is designed for support, not plush comfort. Add a gel pad if needed. Also, while it's sturdy, the foldable frame can wobble slightly if you stand and pedal hard, so stick to seated workouts for max stability. This is perfect for you if you want one machine for the whole household or need adjustable intensity. Skip this one if you prefer standing workouts or have very limited floor space. At $151, it's a smart, family-friendly pick. Product number 5, HXD ERGO Vertical Climber. Finally, if you want maximum calorie burn in minimal time, the HXD ERGO Stair Climber simulates mountain climbing right in your living room. At $139, it's compact, foldable, and supports up to 350 pounds. Here's why this matters for you specifically. 20 minutes here burns as many calories as 45 minutes of jogging. The 6 resistance levels let you scale from beginner to advanced, and the adjustable handlebars fit all heights. It's quiet, knee-friendly, and folds to just 10 inches thick. Slide it under your bed when done. The triangular steel frame stays rock solid, even during intense climbs. Now, some people complain the motion takes practice to feel natural. Here's the thing though, it's not like walking. It's a full-body climb that engages glutes, core, arms, and back simultaneously. Give it 3 to 5 sessions and it clicks. Also, the footprint is small, but you need vertical clearance. Tall users should check ceiling height. This is perfect for you if you want efficient, high-burn cardio without leaving home. Skip this one if you're new to exercise and need something simpler to start. At $139, it's a powerhouse for serious results.
So which one's right for you? The Glilf plate for gentle, full-body activation. The Nice Day Stepper for quiet, budget-friendly movement. The Yosuda Rower for serious, silent cardio. The SLSense Bike for family versatility. Or the HXD ERGO Climber for maximum burn in minimal time. All 5 solve real home workout problems. Just pick what matches your space, budget, and fitness goals.